In this video, I will show you how to fix FiveM connection error. At first, right-click on your network icon in the taskbar. Click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Change Adapter Options. In the new window, double-click on your active network connection. Click on Properties. Locate Internet Protocol version 4 and double-click on it. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8 and alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. Click OK and close all windows. Restart FiveM and check if the issue is resolved. You can also use alternative DNS of Cloudflare. Preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1, alternative DNS server 1.0.0.1. If it also doesn't help, open your browser and search for Cloudflare WARP download. Click on Windows option and download the app. Install the application and follow the on-screen prompts. Once installed, locate the Cloudflare icon in the system tray. Enable this service by toggling it on. Now restart FiveM and see if the error is fixed. If it also doesn't help, right-click on the FiveM shortcut and select Open File Location. In the Explorer, copy the folder path from the address bar. Open Windows Firewall. Click Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings, then allow another app. Click Browse. Paste the copied path and select FiveM.exe. Click Add, then ensure both private and public checkboxes are checked. Click OK and restart FiveM. Now, right-click on FiveM shortcut again and click Open File Location. Open the FiveM application data folder. Navigate to Data, then Cache. Select all files by pressing Ctrl A, then right-click and delete. Repeat the process for server cache private, and logs. Restart FiveM and see if the issue is resolved. If none of the above steps work, try reinstalling FiveM. Uninstalling FiveM from your computer. Restart your system. Download the latest version from the official FiveM website. Install and launch the game. That's it. Now, your FiveM connection error should be fixed. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.